Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add featured images in Wix. So let's get started. So right now I'm on the Wixel site. So let's head over to a site that is a blog in here. So in here, I have here some websites that I can use. So let's just open a website, which is a blog, and then edit that. So click and select an edit site. And then from in there, it will direct you to the dashboard of this specific site. Now, if you want to add a featured image, you can do so on the blog post. So let's head over in here on the blog right here and click on here on the post. So in here, you can see all the posts that you have made in the past right here. So if you don't have any posts yet, click on create new post. And then from in there, you can just add in here some details. I'll just add in here details. And then if you want to add a featured image, head over to this one. Click on add right here on the left side, then click on image, and then from in there, it will open the Wix upload site right here, wherein we can choose file. You can search for the Wix gallery that they have. So let's search in here for food. And then in here, it will show you the options that you can choose from. These are from the media from Wix. These are illustrations from media from Wix and Outdot. These are from Unsplash. So for this one, I'll just choose this. Click on add to page. Then as you can see, it will be added to the page. So let's click on this right here. And then from in there, you can see the settings. Click on the settings right here. You can add in a caption. We can allow download and all of that right here. Now from in there, you should be able to see a lot of alignment, sizes, and all of this right here. So when you click on add in here again, you should be able to add some image and gallery and more right here. So once you added this specific thing on your gallery, as you can see, we have added this one. It will be automatically added as a featured image because it's the first image that you added. So if you already added another image and you want to make that your featured image, you can just click on that one and then turn on the featured image for that. So once you're done with everything, just click on publish right here. Then you should be able to publish its specific blog post with the featured image. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add featured image on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.